Welcome to our guide on starting a dryer vent cleaning business. We'll discuss potential earnings and key considerations to help you decide if this venture is right for you. Dryer vent cleaning is a profitable business opportunity. In this presentation, we'll explore potential earnings and key aspects of the business to give you a comprehensive understanding. Let's break down the potential earnings. Based on $129 per single-story house cleaning, doing 2 jobs per day can earn you $1,290 per week. Increasing to 3 or 4 jobs per day can significantly boost your income. How do these figures compare to your current income or expectations? Each job takes approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. Depending on the number of jobs per day, you can finish your work by lunchtime. How does this work schedule appeal to you compared to a traditional 9-to-5 job? You can increase your earnings through additional services like gutter cleaning, pressure washing, and other home maintenance tasks. Upselling can potentially double your earnings per job. What additional services do you think would complement dryer vent cleaning? Starting this business requires minimal initial investment, approximately $500 to $1,000 for essential tools. Avoid expensive, bulky equipment and use tools that are easily replaceable. How does this low startup cost affect your view of entering this business? Any vehicle can be suitable for the job, eliminating the need for large vans or trucks. Telescopic ladders make roof racks unnecessary. What type of vehicle do you currently have, and how might it work for this business? Insurance and proper licensing are crucial for protecting you and your business, adding credibility to your services. Why do you think proper insurance and licensing are important for a service business? Effective communication and educating customers about the service are key to building trust and securing repeat business. Be yourself and offer your services in an honest conversation. How comfortable are you with customer interactions and education? In the next lesson, we will dive into the training on all aspects of becoming a dryer vent cleaning expert. Get ready to learn and grow your new business.